Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. 日本に初めて来た時に、これを覚えるのは大変でした。帽子をかぶる、アクセサリーをつける、メガネをかける、靴を履く。英語では wear をすべての場合に使います。結構言われるんですね。英語ってめんどくさいね。英語の文が長すぎる。英語は主語を必ず言うのは本当ですか？でもね、今回は日本語の方がめんどくさい。英語の方が意外と簡単ですよ。ここからは英語で話しますので、皆さん頑張って最後まで見てくださいね。Let's get started! First, we must look at the difference between these three important terms. Put on, wear, take off.You can use these for all the things which I'm going to talk about today. Okay, so more closely, put on, wear, take off. Let's take the example of a hat. It's nice and simple. Put on the hat. This is the process of putting the hat on your head. Wear the hat.Or wearing the hat. This is the situation of me having the hat on my head. Take off the hat. This is the process of removing the hat from my head. Okay, let's do that again just to help you remember. Okay, so first we have put on the hat. I'm wearing the hat or wear the hat.And now I'm taking off the hat. Simple. But today, the main focus is on the super word wear. It's an incredibly useful verb. Using wear for clothes. Let's check out the different ways we can use the verb wear. We can use it for all clothes. Wear a t-shirt. Wear a jacket. Wear a suit. Wear a tie. Wear jeans. Wear shorts. Wear boots. Wear socks. Wear slippers. Wear a hat.Wear a wig. One key point. In English, wear is usually used as a verb. If it's used as a noun, it's usually used as part of a compound noun, which is basically two nouns joined together. Sportswear, ski wear, swimwear, leisure wear. So don't say, I like your wear.You should say, I like your clothes. And maybe ladies would say, I like your outfit. If you're finding the video to be useful, please subscribe. チャンネルを登録してください。あとは、いいねを押してください。あとは何かわからないことがあったら、ぜひコメントのところに何でも聞いてください。ちゃんと返事しますよ。Okay, thank you very much. Let's get on with the video. Using wear for accessories. We can use it for things that you place on or attach to your body. Wear a necklace. Wear a ring. Wear earrings. Remember, in English, we don't say pierce. You have to say earrings. Wear a watch. Wear a name tag. Wear a badge. Wear a security pass. Wear a mask. Wear glasses. Wear a belt. Wear a band-aid. Using wear for creams and lotions. It's used for all kinds of squidgy stuff. wear sunscreen, wear makeup. What am I doing? God. Using wear for hairstyles. The verb wear is also used for talking about how you wear your hair. She wears her hair long. She likes to wear her hair short. He always wears his hair in a ponytail. How do you like to wear your hair? I wear my hair up in a bun. Using wear in other ways. There are some surprising uses for the verb wear. Wear a smile. Wear a happy face. Wear a frown. Wear a sad face. It's also used in the phrasal verb wear out. This means that something becomes older and weaker over time. I need to buy some new shoes. These are worn out. Ooh. My socks are starting to wear out. I need to throw these away. This can also be used for when you are feeling tired. I'm worn out. I'm going home. You look worn out. You should have an early night. There are some other extremely useful expressions. Wear your heart on your sleeve. So this means that you show your true feelings and you don't hold anything back. So depending on the situation, this can usually be a good thing because you don't hide anything. But if you show too much, it can also have the opposite effect. Wear out your welcome. This is when you go to somebody's house and maybe you stay just a little bit too long and they want you to leave. Wear out your welcome. Wear off. This is when you take like some painkillers. If you have a really bad toothache and you take some painkillers and the pain goes away, but after a few hours, when the medicine starts to wear off, the pain comes back. Wear off. It's homework time. Okay, now, so you see this Japanese sentence, I want you to change it into English. Okay, this is your homework. So put the answer in the comments down below. So let me just read it for you. It says, 私は香水をつけて仕事に行くことは決してしない。Okay? 答えをコメント欄のところに書いてください。ちゃんとチェックしますよ。Okay? Good luck and give it a go. Well, we made it to the end of the video. I hope I haven't worn out my welcome. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.